Scrum is the most popular agile framework in use. It is built for a single team working on a product development project. Just to be clear, the product here means something developed as an output of the project. Scrum defines 5 events, 3 roles, and 3 artifacts, which are explained and understood using some rules. So let's discuss these. First, 5 events. All Scrum events are time-boxed events. Scrum is an iteration-based framework. In Scrum, an iteration is called a sprint. Sprint is usually a 2-week time-boxed event, though some teams may take up 3, 4, 6, and up to 8 weeks long sprints. But that is rare, especially the larger ones. A sprint starts with a sprint planning event, which is 4 hours long for a 2-week sprint. The team meets for a daily stand-up called as daily scrum. It is of fixed 15 minutes duration. A sprint review occurs towards the end of the sprint. It is 2 hours long for a 2-week sprint. The last event is sprint retrospective. It is time-boxed for a maximum of 3 hours for a 4 weeks long sprint. And it will be a shorter meeting for a 2-week long sprint. So these are the 5 events. Now there are only 3 roles defined in Scrum framework. The Scrum Master, who is the team facilitator, the servant leader, the product owner, who owns and manages the product backlog, and the development team, a cross-functional team who will do the work. And also there are 3 artifacts recognized in the Scrum framework. The product backlog, which has all the items that are identified as needed to be done. The sprint backlog, which is created by the development team at the end of the sprint planning event, and which is a prioritized list of all the tasks the development team will do during the sprint. And the increments, which can be a full feature or part of the feature delivered at the end of an iteration, and that contributes to meeting the sprint goal. So this is Scrum framework in a nutshell.